tower to the sun. That's the first part.
There's a boy I like to meet. He says, come on, let's run. Come on, let's have some fun. Come on, let's run away. What do you say?
Yeti dogi chokara unu chimuruna de.
kuş gibi seher çağı bir düş gibi çağır sabahta aldı dertleri.
Peter, what a great job you've always done. But you're a great person. I'm glad that you did. And keep the music alive.
Thank you so much for these 10 years.
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Peter.
Peter, you are wonderful. Thank you, Peter.
Peter, thank you for Muhabbet.
我和晨晨要谢谢你给我们在西雅图我们最喜欢来的聚会，还有音乐 Muhabbet。晨晨，说啊，说谢谢 Peter 叔叔。谢谢 Peter 叔叔。
Thank you, Peter, for being a dancer in your soul.
Start.
Hello, Peter. Thank you from me for the wonderful music community you've created and for all the music you've brought into our life in so many different ways.
Dearest Peter, 10 years with Muhabbet and so many other things that you've done. I have nothing but admiration and respect for you. I love you a great deal. Here's to 10 more.
Peter, thanks for the music. Nice job. Happy celebration.
Thank you so much for 10 years of Muhabbet. What a wonderful event it is. You bring people together for music and that delicious food of Cafe Paloma and community. Thank you for all the time you've poured into it and giving us musicians an opportunity to perform there. Peter, you're just the best daydream and janitor ever.
Thanks, Peter. Thanks for Muhabbet. Thanks for 10 years and 10 years more. Everybody in this room knows it's the best place in Seattle to be when you're doing this as you're doing it right now. Congrats, man. We need this community for sure.
สวัสดีค่ะพีเตอร์ขอบคุณมากๆนะคะที่ทำให้มี Cafe Paloma มี Muhabbet Nights ขอบคุณที่ทำงานร่วมกันมาเป็น10 ปีค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Peter, my dear, I am very sorry that I am not going to be there this year, but I will be sure I will catch up with you later.
Gracias, Peter, por Muhabbet.
Hi, Pete. 10 wonderful years of Muhabbet. Thanks a lot.
Peter, thank you for 10 years of good work. Keep it up.
Hey, Peter, we're here to celebrate you, Mr. Muhabbet.
Mr. Muhabbet, thank you so much, Peter, for all the work and time and effort and badgering and everything else that you had to do to make Muhabbet happen at Paloma all these years. And I just really appreciate that, along with everything else you've been doing.
Yeah.
Here's to the next thing. Okay? Bye-bye.
Muhabbet çok sağ ol. Muhabbet.
Hey Peter, thank you for putting these Muhabbets together year after year. Every last one is a memorable experience. And also thank you for your infinite patience with people who don't send in their responses on time.
Evan always says that Muhabbet is like my church because it's so healing for my heart and soul. Peter, thank you for making my favorite place in Seattle even more special once a month for the last 10 years. Love you and love Muhabbet.
Muhabbet bağına girdim bu gece. Efraim abi, I miss you. I love you, take care. My dear, good Efraim abim. Sağlıkla kal, bye bye.
Спасибо, Петр, за то, что ты приносишь в Cafe Paloma радость, музыку в этот прекрасный день. Muhabbet. Thank you.
Thank you for Muhabbet, Peter.
You're playing your music, telling stories, even your weird jokes were really, really nice. So thank you and don't stop doing it. We are looking forward for many years of more entertainment. I think even this guy behind me liked your jokes.
Thanks, Peter, for the great years of Muhabbet, for enriching our lives with wonderful music and loving community.
ขอบคุณนะคะ Peter ขอบคุณสำหรับ Muhabbet ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you, Peter, for Muhabbet. Thank you.
Oh, Peter, what would we do without you? Thank you so much.
Thanks, Peter, for Muhabbet. You're the most.